Doors open on the left at Washington. Transfer to Red Line trains at Washington.
Okay. Never used to.
This is Washington. Transfer to Red Line trains at Washington. This is a Blue Line train to Forest Park.
I don't even know what's going on. Must be the train ahead of us or the train before that.
Train is like 7 minutes ahead.
Yeah. I'm gonna do a picture real quick.
Oh yeah, it's a yeah, it is.
When it's the
It is a place.
okay. I'll be right back. I'll go to the car in front and then I'll be back in here.
Alright.
Because I need to do something else here. Do you need something? I'm going in the car in front and I'll be right back in here.
Are you sure you want to do that?
I can
just see you
I can just use this. But, or I'll transfer at the next station. Just wait here.
Doors closing. Monroe is next. Doors open on the left at Monroe. This is Monroe. This is a Blue Line train to Forest Park.
I'm back.
Doors closed. Jackson is next. Doors open on the left at Jackson. Transfer to red, orange, brown, and pink line trains at Jackson. This is Jackson. Transfer to red, orange, brown, and pink line trains at Jackson. This is a Blue Line train to Forest Park.
Yeah. I need to make sure it's short. So how I do this is we check this. So like you saw me, like slide this up and you'll see if it's strong or not. Yeah. It's charging good. Once again.
closing. LaSalle is next.
What?
Doors open on the left at LaSalle.
As in the line as the green.
Transfer
Yeah, except they don't have Washington. Only Blue Line does, not red.
This is LaSalle. This is a Blue Line train to Forest Park.
I like the fact that they have seen it on the tracks.
They have what?
They don't have that on the tracks.
Oh, yeah.
Only on blue line. I don't know about red.
Like, oh.
You guys pull apart.
I know how to roll this one. It's not a good idea. I'll have to like, there's a section where the notes up here.
I know. I put it down.
Your attention, please. We are standing momentarily waiting for signal clearance. We expect to be moving shortly.
Let's come back to that. So that way I can hear you easier.
It's gonna fall.
Do you want to do that window once we're out of the subway? Should I like go down the window once we're out of the subway?
Your attention,
Like tonight?
please.
Wait,
We are standing momentarily waiting for signal clearance. We expect to be moving shortly.
yeah, so I was talking about like after the point my camera out the window like we did on the green line, but since the door's closed, we're just gonna have to do that window. Yeah. But I'm gonna do that once we're out of the subway. Yeah. Do you want to like be there for like the entire time, or do you want to be up here when you want to move up here? Okay. So why don't we point it out the window from the next time and then we move up here for west when it's west? Oh, yeah, because when I came, it was just this train. I had to wait for like 5 minutes for the train ahead, and then it must be the train in front that's having a problem. Because that's supposed to be the train. Maybe it's from ahead, but I'm not
Doors
sure.
closing. Clinton is next. Doors open on the left at Clinton. Transfer to Metra and Amtrak trains at Clinton. Your safety is important. If you observe unattended packages, vandalism, or suspicious activity, inform CTA personnel immediately. This is Clinton. This is a Blue Line train to Forest Park.
You want to face the window now or once we get outside? Because the next time is going to be outside.
Do I see?
What?
Do I see?
Yeah, but do you want to face it now or once we're like first thing outside? Or when okay.
Doors closing.
Just let me know when you want to go there. Also, I'm a
UIC Halsted is next. Doors open on the left at UIC Halsted. Please be considerate when talking on your phone or listening to electronic devices, so as not to disturb other customers. Please keep your belongings on the seat next to you, so others may sit down.
yes. I know, because it's slow like most of the while. Especially in the summer, but I don't think it's usually slow, but it's because of the train ahead of us. That might be having problems.
It's the same thing I was told.
The one I just got off like 30 minutes ago?
30%.
Oh. Do you want to do it now or at the stop? You want to do it at the stop?
This is UIC Halsted. This is
We're
a
right here.
Blue Line train to Forest
I'm
Park.
gonna just point out the window. You do whatever you want. Oh, okay. I'll put my camera here so you have space for yours.
That's the same thing I was on the way.
Yes, that one. That same one right there.
The doors.
The doors are broken. Was it broken when you wrote it?
Doors closing.
Was that door broken when you
Doors
wrote it?
closing.
I don't know.
Okay.
I will agree to 70. I would have on the other side.
Yeah.
Racine is next.
Okay, I'm gonna hold this
Doors
up.
open on the left at Racine.
I want to do this.
I want to see what is it down right here.
Oh, you want to sit down?
I'm good.
Okay.
I want to see one, two.
No, I'd rather stand because I usually stand, never sit.
I want to get to a table so I don't have to hold it.
Yes, but they usually we have to bring the table for that.
I'm so ready for the program motivation.
Yeah.
But we still have a whole way to go.
Yeah.
Like the length of the train goes fast is from coming from Racine
Oh yeah. This side.
and not from Forest Park.
Oh yeah.
Which my grandma, although I take the one because my grandma takes the train all the time. And she said it's so slow.
Yeah.
I wonder when they remodel it. We'll see how long it takes to get to Forest Park.
It better be faster when it's done.
At least 20 to 30 minutes.
Yes.
Like remember they remodeled the red line and they like remember they remodeled the red line from Surrey to Chinatown? No, Surrey to 95.
It was slow back then?
It was 30 minutes.
Oh.
And they rolled it down to 20 minutes now.
Okay. They're already getting ready, I see.
Yeah, it's not getting ready.
Yeah. I hope this doesn't run out of space, because then I have to combine it. Because I ran out of space on an earlier video today, and that was really good, and the video was almost done, which was even worse.
Like I usually do e-bike
This
videos.
is
Yeah,
your
I
safe
usually do too, but like I will
This
choose.
You have so many photos, maybe that's why.
Yeah, it could be why, because I've almost I've over 1,000 photos on here.
I only have like 13,000.
13, that's more than me.
They're mostly screenshots, not really selfies.
Yeah. Mine are usually pictures like what I was doing, like the pictures facing the front and then the back.
Oh my god.
Let me go see what's going on.
This is just the big one of your phone.
I don't see nothing because of the ramp. Okay. That's a good idea. I'm just gonna. Why don't I put my bag here? You sit and I'll stand.
Your
Is this
attention,
signal?
please. We are standing
It is.
momentarily waiting for signal clearance. We expect people to show up.
Yeah. It's not that big enough. Well, yeah, you have to hold it. Did it come undone again?
No.
Okay. But keep checking to make sure it's charging and not discharging.
Alright. At least I'll get to do the 318 pace bus. And I get
Yeah.
the so I can go.
Yeah, you're finally doing what I usually ride.
I'm trying to give him a pace game.
Yeah, I can help you along the way.
Have you lived near anyone before?
No, I haven't rode anything from Southwest. I only ride the west ones and the ones up north.
Like when I go to my cousin's house, I'm gonna take a two-man carriage.
Yeah,
Somewhere to Elk Grove, whatever it was, I'm gonna take to Elk Grove.
yeah. I haven't rode that yet, but hopefully you know what stop you're getting off at. Because my dad takes that to his work sometimes.
Are you guys home in Rosemont?
He usually takes the 90 to the blue line, then he goes to Rosemont. It's not like he just takes the blue line all the way downtown to go up north. He just takes the 90 because he lives so close to 90.
Night. Park.
Correct. And to O'Hare Blue Line. We got a dead-headed bus. 4123.
Yes. Kids is more obviously what I'm doing, I think.
Yeah, because
On the 79, I was riding. I saw the auto artists art right there. The one I told
on the
you
fence,
about.
like, yeah, that's our buses. That's our
Run
services.
124. Illinois Medical District is next. In the direction of travel, doors open on the left at Illinois Medical District.
This is why I prefer the 26s over the 32s. Because on 26s, the speaker's like up there.
Really?
Yeah, there's a speaker up there, where that is. So,
I like Twisted Switch. I just don't like the fact that they have like yellow lights in here instead of blue ones up here.
I prefer the yellow ones a little more, because I've been riding the train since I was young, and these used to be yellow lights before they were white.
Yeah, I remember I always walked 15.
Yeah.
I always caught every 18 unit, and they had purple lights.
Yeah, the 18s had purple lights, but now pretty much all these buses have the white lights now. It's hard to find the yellow ones now.
Why do they even have the white one? The white.
I don't know. Maybe because they ran out of purple and now they have to make white. This is definitely going to take an hour.
Yes, bro. And last video I made was like 43 or 44 minutes to get to full smart.
This
It would take me that long.
where did you start? Where did you start at that time?
Same stop.
Oh,
What was that?
you must be lucky, because one time when I rode the blue line from Harlem to Illinois Medical, to Damon, whatever it's called. Oh, it is Illinois Medical. It took like 30 or 35 minutes.
Oh, when you remember you walked to 3158 on the blue line?
Yes, but that video I did 31:36.
Why did you ride the blue line back home anyways?
Oh my god. We got bugs because I don't even know why. Maybe because back then I took I wanted to get a bus on the 50, but since the green line doesn't stop at Damon, I had to take the blue line to Illinois Medical, and I didn't have time to get to New charging? It's not.
Let me see.
Okay, just make sure it's in because it likes to slide out a lot. Yeah. Yeah. It slid out. Don't lose your money. I zip that up so it does. Or never mind, because you need that for the charger. I got this. Okay. Is it charging now? Check and see if it's charging. More. There it is.
Well, I'm just gonna leave it right here.
Okay. So, yeah, zip that up so you don't lose your important stuff.
The only thing I'm like about is you have the zippers.
Yeah.
If I know I can't roll on my phone, it's my phone.
Yeah, I don't have anything with zippers on the side because I just don't. When I'm trying to do express buses, I put my charger on the seat next to me instead of on my pocket because it likes to fall out because of those seats. Where are we at?
Built by a me.
Yeah. We got
the
another
next
bus.
college where term is.
College?
It's open. I think it's like the next. I think it's like the next.
Yeah. 10:01.
My arms get tired.
Doors closed.
Wish we were faster now.
Western is next.
Hopefully.
Doors open on the left at Western. Standing passengers, please do not lean against the doors.
Do you want me to hold yours too if it gets tired?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I put the pull on it, so my mom will be sick.
Oh.
Well, by the way, are you going straight home after the 318?
Yes, because my home's like right there. So like, I'll get off at the Green Line with you, and then like maybe we could walk to the Green Line, and then you
Where's
go.
college?
Yeah, that's his college. He went there today. He goes Mondays and Wednesdays.
He goes on Mondays and Wednesdays?
Yeah, just Mondays and Wednesdays. He's just taking. I think he's just taking one class. It's about 2 hours long. It's for the summer, and then he's gonna go back next fall for some other classes. Like he's taking Spanish, and I think he's taking English too. Ooh, I better send this to him once these trees get out of the way. Where are the ones? Oh, there's people on the road.
Sweet Black got an 82.
82?
But not today.
Yeah.
Let's find out.
Yeah, we could ride another day, but
Well, let's find Friday.
Friday?
You can walk, let's find Friday.
Yeah.
Like, in Friday, it wasn't that bad for me, 60, 66.
Yeah, it gets crowded on the weekdays. That's why we like do it on the weekends. Like,
I wonder why is it crowded on weekdays? Where are people coming from?
they need the articulated buses. They're running a lot of the short buses. By the way, I see the next train back there. See its lights?
I think it's Mexico City.
No, it's coming up to Damon. And it's too far from Halstead.
There's a Red Getty bus.
Yes.
This is Western.
Are you feeling better at all? Okay. It better not get worse, because I'm lucky I didn't catch whatever you got. But we were about to pass his house, like, it's like right here.
Oh, 3147. 47? Hold up.
Oh, I've been down already.
Why is it kind of back?
Doors closed. Kensington is next.
Okay, his house is like
Doors
one of
open
these
on the left
streets.
at Kensington.
Okay, the next one.
Smoking, littering, and eating are prohibited on CTA vehicles.
It's 126.
Yes, and his house is like at the next street. Like, it's not that, but that's a street. That's the street he lives on. I should take a picture of that.
There's Kenzie Garage.
Yes. this early?
To be honest, I want to know why why they took off the, like, they have, like, when 7,000 series has, like, that reader thing up there.
The like that? The heater?
Yeah, they took it off of some of the numbers. I think it was 81, 82.
I think on the buses, those are used for the winter month and trains are for the summer.
Is you ready?
Yeah. Oh, your videos. Yeah. That train is quite far.
Yeah, it's quite far. I always get on it. I got on West and West to Kenton.
Oh.
I use some of these things for the most part.
Yeah, I haven't been here for like almost a year. It's been a while since I've been on here. Do you want to do it in front of people?
California station.
Yes.
It wasn't that much of a fire station.
I don't even know. This station's been empty like this for over 40 years. They're not even taking it down, they're just keeping it.
If they don't, I hope they bring it back one day. And they bring it back to AC station.
Yeah.
Like, when the people rehabilitation open back up, some of the stations never open back up.
Yeah.
Remember they had 58, 31st, 26.
Yeah.
Okay. Foden and Sacramento and Costco. I don't know.
Yeah. Like, there's a Harrison bus out there that's for those, but it's for weekdays and it doesn't go past Central. And the Central station on the blue line's gone. Right? I think its building's still there. It's just not used anymore. They should make the 7 run on weekends, but then they use 126 on the weekends. Now I better not get sick because I am going to Wisconsin on Friday and I cannot be sick.
Like, I hate being sick. I haven't got sick for the past 3 years.
Last time I was sick was in November when I had that cold. Like, I couldn't stop coughing and it was like I had to stay home for an entire week. I missed 3 days of school and then it was Thanksgiving break and I only could go one of those days for Thanksgiving break.
Like, I don't know how it's even possible to get sick or something.
Yeah. Oh, your mom's calling you. Do you have to answer that? Okay.
I can't answer really the first one.
Doors
Okay.
closing. Doors
I
closing.
think she needs you. I'm gonna do the video from
It's
here.
okay, it's okay.
Okay.
Pulaski is next.
It's more spandy or nothing.
Doors open
Yeah.
on the left at Pulaski.
Or it could be one of your
Soliciting and
siblings.
gambling prohibited on CTA vehicles.
Well, we gotta go get the first one.
Yeah. That's the first thing. I hope she doesn't get you in trouble, because then, like, I don't even know. Oh, she's texting you. Okay.
I'll tell her.
She says you're doing too much. What? That's how his girlfriend used to be.
Oh, Cham's
Yeah.
old girlfriend?
Yeah, that's his old girlfriend. Like, when she's upset, she always says that. She always says he's doing too much.
The guy needs to such a cab. Cab.
Yeah, at least. Look at this. You have to. I'm gonna just answer it, and then keep doing it. I'll keep doing it for you. Then you
Well, I'm
have.
about to start a part 2 though.
It's okay. We could use.
Pulaski.
I don't want you to get in trouble. I would recommend like you call her and then like you tell her and then we should use iMovie. You used iMovie before? That's how I combine my clips. Yeah. Answer the phone. Yeah, just answer the phone because she needs you and I would not want you to get in trouble. The sooner the better. And then I can teach you how to use iMovie at home. It's really easy. You only have to combine the videos and that's it. Okay, I hope you're approaching. I think so. Are you gonna answer your phone?
We'll take it to the West.
Okay. Because I don't want her to get super mad.
She don't get that mad really easy.
Okay.
But if I'm home like 10 or 9, she never.
Okay. You're probably gonna be back home by like 9 or 9:30. That's what I'm guessing. I think we're about 20 minutes away.
Look at the cracks in the tracks in the third wheel. Look how damaged it is.
It's time for them to go.
That's why you're gonna put us a hole.
Yes. Come on. This train goes way too slow.
Look at all the garbage and look at all the rust and wet.
They have to clean it up.
You can tell the stress is back against your account.
Yeah, this is not.
No wonder why they don't run faster on this ride.
There's a bag on the tracks. How does that even happen? People must be using that door to throw stuff out. Because this is an overnight train line.
Because they mostly keep the doors closed.
Yeah. But like you can open that and it could lead you out to the open. If this is open, or if it's closed like there, then that opens and yeah. Okay. What street is this? Doesn't say. The green line's a lot faster.
Yes. No wonder why they was caught.
But it's slowing your day because they're doing the construction. But here's the last game, so we're almost at the station.
Like, she'll text me back like 30 minutes later. That's what I'm saying.
Okay. Are
She
you
don't respond because she's busy my little butter. She's not gonna respond.
Are
So
you-
even if I text her, she's not gonna respond yet until like 20 minutes.
Are you gonna? So are you gonna text her now or like later?
We'll get first one. I'll actually text her.
Okay.
Unless
Like unless she
Oh! This is Pulaski.
It's okay.
7,000.
I prefer the older ones over those.
I rolled 73 on the 7,000
Wow.
for the first time.
Mine was 7,008, and that was in March of last year when
And
I
I
was.
rolled, I rolled 7011 and I rolled 72,000 well.
I wrote 7012, 7004, 7006, 7008, and 7012, 7022, 7023, and I think 7042.
Okay.
Yeah, I put them in. So
Speaker. I couldn't even talk to it. I can't talk into it because it's not even on.
what's the what's? Oh yeah, because there's a key that has to be put in there.
That's okay.
Like
Cicero is next.
there's no key in there.
Doors open on the left.
Yeah.
Cicero. Priority seat is
It's hidden for the elderly and passengers with disabilities. Good cooperation is requested.
Yes.
I like the 7,000 priority seat. It's getting passengers out.
It is really good. We are going faster now.
I would check it, but I'm going. I'll try to get my own phone soon.
Yeah. I already told my parents I'm on my way home, so I'm good. So you're not gonna bother me, because then I'm just taking 318 back. I took the 318 this morning to the Forest Park to get to the 303. And I took the 303 to Rosemont.
How long is that?
That's, well, this time it took like 45 minutes because there was a driver change near Lake Street and the first driver was going kind of slow, so that added the time. There's Costner.
They should add a Costner, so that Costner bus.
Yeah. They have the 50 and the 54.
If he is us, we'll just be the owners of the train.
Yeah. Hold on a second. This train's nice and empty.
Yes.
So like our time we were on the other day when we were going to Roosevelt.
It really depends on game day.
Yeah.
Like you're looking at 2 for the game day too.
Yeah, this.
For the United Center.
Yeah. That's why I try and avoid the.
The flies are back there.
Yeah. I know he got me. Because it wasn't bothering me.
This is Cicero.
We'll have fun with it films on my skin.
It was like you more than me.
Get out, Mr. Fly. Why are you even in here? If you want more space outside, like you can zoom all around the world. Oh, by the way, they have an exit closed down there.
What was closed down?
An exit that all the way down there. I was
When did they close it down?
I don't know. That exit has been closed for a very long time.
We're about 15 minutes, so this video is probably going to hit almost an hour.
Doors closing. Austin is next.
Oh goodness. We're
It
not
actually takes 6 minutes to get to Austin.
we're not super far. We're like 15 minutes away. You're making the seat dirty.
I know. I don't step and grab that much, so that's just my car got dirty.
Oh, so you clean them? Okay. I should clean mine. But I only want to do it when I'm at school because we don't have wipes at home, so I have to do it at school.
How you wash your shoes?
No, cleaning my shoe with the wipe. With the cleaning
Why
wipe.
don't you do it at home?
I could, but I never remember because I always have my computer and my stuff, and at school I have to put my phone away. So that means I have to use my computer and then the computer at school, and then like when I'm bored, I just want to clean my shoes when I'm not doing anything.
I'm not risking staying here. I would stay in here, but you know, it's not that this door is so possible to open.
Yeah. Do you want to do this the same thing as we do today by in the front where I like it? Well, that's if you go out. Wanna?
Yeah.
Okay. I need to make it to Wisconsin by Friday, happy and healthy, because I have to do some driving practice once we're back. It's charging. At least I can fully use it up.
How many paces did you buy today?
Let me think. I rode the 318. I rode the 303, 600, 554, 547, two 550s, the 603, a 606, and another 600. So that's 10 buses I did today.
I'm peaceful seeing you the wise other day.
If you're out for 12 hours, then you ride a lot of buses like me. Because I'm not for that long. And that's how I get so much buses in a day.
I did like 7 or 8 last time. But
Yeah.
But excluding 8, 15, 44.
Yes. 8321.
I wonder how many wheels are there. I think we have like over an hour.
Yeah, we don't know. 41 minutes. We should have bug spray with us.
It's gonna affect the passengers though.
It's for the bugs. And when, especially when it's an empty train like this. And the customers are even looking at us.
Yeah.
How we get oh, we're almost there. There's a hospital up ahead.
We only got 3 train calls.
I should do the right line to 95th.
Okay, we're going 3.
We're
3
almost.
stops. We got like 3 or 4 stops left.
Yeah, then we take the 318.
I gotta go get the drinks. And I gotta have to head home.
Where are you getting the drinks at?
Walmart, I guess. You can help me if you want to.
I could, but there was a Walmart near Forest Park, but you have to take like a southbound bus. You have to like take the 305.
Where is that going to take me?
The 305 is going to take you to Roosevelt, and place you can get drinks on the Green Line. I can show you. You can get drinks there. Do you like the big ones or like the small bottles? Or the cans? Okay, I think the place that I'm gonna take you to only has like the regular size
I
bottle.
mean, I ride the Walmart's still cheaper. I only get $15 a week.
Okay. We'll see.
Unless you go half as well.
Yeah. Because I'm trying to save my neck. I'm almost home.
How much money do you have?
I have like $20. I haven't used it. But let me tell you this.
So what do you have in your house right now?
Like I think I need money for weeks.
Huh?
I think I need money for weeks ever since I spent 2 years. Air Central.
Yeah. 85 Central to Greenlawn and House.
Woo! I need to ride it again. It's been too long. I haven't rode since January.
I need to buy the 85 again.
I need to do it again.
Wow. 85 Central to Harrison.
Yes.
86 Narragansett. Greenlawn.
No, it's let me think. To Richmond, Green Line.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, you were close though.
Hey, I'm whiskey.
Oh my god, my hands are too dirty.
Yeah,
They need to clean this up. The blue line is pretty dirty.
oh, like.
They should have sanitizers on more places. Oh, by the way, the 318 has hand sanitizer, so I can use it when I get on.
I don't know if I can record it if I have a battery.
You can record the 318. I have enough battery for myself, but then, like, you give this back to me once we're off the 318.
Yeah.
Because I need to bring this home. Because then my parents are going to be like, where's your charger?
Does everyone use it or just you?
My family uses it when I'm at home.
When you're not home?
Yeah. I'm going to get back.
This is Austin.
This is going to hit an hour if we can take 15 minutes to get there.
What was that?
Your family is really calling me. I cannot wait to get home and wash these hands. They need sanitizer in more places.
Empty train now.
Yes. That is just so funny. Now your parents are really gonna be worried. Let me see what's going on now. I can't even see. I think the opera was heading straight. Oh, you saw it too? This would be the perfect time for bug spray if no one else is in there except us. Okay, we go now.
Doors closing.
Go away, bug. It's right there.
Is next.
You better stay there.
Doors open on the left and full park.
It's totally concert tomorrow. This is just crazy.
Squeezed off the
We better not. We might not force park if both the tires are taken. Because of the train in front of us. That was just a little bit too. There's the 50. Too much trash. Get off. Dirty.
We didn't watch TikTok before.
I don't watch it.
Oh.
I don't even use TikTok, so like, sometimes friends at school want me to be in TikTok videos, but I make up my own dance.
Okay.
Yeah, so like, I don't know about the other ones, because I make my own up to everyone. This should be Richland coming up.
86. Now we get to Swift Green.
Correct.
I don't know where this places goes.
Careful with my charger. It goes down Richland, and then at north it becomes Marianne, and then at Irving Park it becomes Nicholas. It goes all the way to Devon, where you can walk in, then it goes on Milwaukee Lake for 2 blocks, and then there's a terminal lake right there.
This is Oak Park.
Okay.
This is blue line. What the?
Blue line.
Why is the blue line on this side?
They must be changing drivers now.
Where the blue?
That's the train operator from the last train. You love those dances. Oh, good, we go.
Doors closing.
Oh no, I smell
Harlem
smoke.
is next. Doors
Yes,
open
how about
on the
you?
left at Harlem.
Who's there?
Yes, like 2 more stops. The smoke better go away.
The train doors are closed.
Except the one in front. Because the operator needs that.
Yeah. Also, I wonder what operator is. Is the train coming here though?
What operator?
This train.
There is an operator driving this. The operator from that was the one from the other train in front of us. Because these trains don't run like this without an operator. Unless we get in a crash. At least this video is not an hour, but it's gonna hit 55 minutes. Yeah, that's Garfield. They changed the street names and Austin too. So like this was I believe this was Van Buren, but now Van Buren's like back that way, and now this is Garfield. Yeah. Then that's Clinton. Yes, we're almost there. The front might be there, but we're getting there. Our videos hit 50 minutes. Beautiful sunset.
1270 to 1341.
And it's 8321, the best Nova out there.
It's 129, I count 1804.
Yes. And I want 8321 back up here.
Why are you wearing 1804 like a person?
The day it moved, it was on 85A and I had to take a test at home that day. Then I wanted to go get it out later, and then it wasn't there later. They took it out of service like right before I could get it. That bus was playing tricks on me, so now it's your turn to get the bus. You got it, and now you have to get the video. If it tricks me, then you're getting the video.
I hope the video isn't too long, bro.
It shouldn't be too long, because if then we're walking. Because I prefer to walk, but unless we're in a rush. Like, you have to get home because your parents are calling you, and I have to get home, like, as soon as I can. Yeah, one more stop. At least this head isn't hurting. I see the train behind us. Yeah, it's back there, at Oak Park. this ready.
Doors closing. Forest Park is next. Doors open on the left at Forest Park.
Forest Park is next. Doors open on the left at Forest Park.
You should have. I wish I could hear the Forest Park is next without you, but it's okay. I'll get next time. That took forever. I bumped my head on the window. At least again. At least the window is soft and not hard. Up. How do you think it's going to take for it? Stay up. It's going to take pretty long. That's the in front, but this one's to fall down. Has it been almost an hour? There is no way. You just made this ride a lot more faster than it really is. Okay, we should be there in a minute or two. The train is... No! We're stopped. Oh, we moving. Yeah. These are 8-car trains. Why is it not on my camera? My camera is too... If we take the bus, I definitely hope there's hands sometimes. Is there a bus even? Doors to open. Mind the gap between the doors.